I'm Stephen Davis, Senior Market Strategist, RJO Futures. Downtown Chicago, Illinois, the capital of commodities in the world today. We're here to talk about the grain markets, the agricultural markets. We had a crop report on Tuesday. Markets are not that concerned about crop reports right here, right now. They're more concerned about outside markets. Earlier today, the Dow Jones was down 400. It's down about 200. If it could be unchanged at the end of the day, that would be a moral victory. Gold is down gold is up $45 to $50. So these are not normal markets, and we need to get back to more normal markets so we can trade demand and supply and demand, and the real fundamentals of the grain markets. Nonetheless, we had the crop report on Tuesday. It was a bearish report. A lot of grain in the world, especially bearish for the wheat market. And kudos to grains here today. Soybeans are up 7, corn is up 2. So in the short term, this is real positive price discovery in soybeans and corn. Soybean market, Argentina, Brazil, they're in very good shape. They've got rain, so good crops coming from Argentina and Brazil, and this is in the market now. So we're going to move forward and try to find some type of catalyst. A big debate going on. Do these grains grind lower, or do they put in a bottom and rally into this spring planting that lies ahead? Similar to crude oil. Are we putting in a bottom in crude oil, or do we continue to grind lower? That's a gigantic million-dollar question every single day. I mentioned the last couple of summers we've had 60 to 80 cent rallies in soybeans and corn. And back in the day, that used to be a one-day move. And so we're really lulling ourselves to sleep on these lower ranges, and typically something happens. So we're going to keep talking about what a catalyst can be that can change this environment here. These are bear markets, and it looks more and more like it's going to be weather here in the spring and summer that can be a catalyst to move these grain markets higher. Looking ahead, there's no Sunday night trade and there's no day trade on Monday, so we got a long weekend coming up in grains, and more important is these outside markets, they got to settle down and we can get back to the real fundamentals. So demand is the key, and the demand right here in North America, Mexico buys a lot of pork from us. Mexico buys a lot of corn from us. Perhaps this North American demand story can continue to grow, and there's no other agricultural market quite like that, a customer like Mexico. One that's similar is U.S. soybeans to China that we sell. So got to keep talking about this demand. It's important. Everyone have an excellent weekend. Thank you.
Futures and options on futures may involve substantial risk and may not be suitable for all investors.